Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Amy. I am sharing different ESL companies that you could apply. So if you're looking for a job, you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today I will be sharing another company which I didn't push through my application. So just in case you're interested, you could apply to this company. So the name of the company is Gao2 ESL. Yeah, it is based in China. I'm here on the page of a Facebook account of the Gao2. So this one. Yeah, you could search on Facebook, just GAOTU. That's a Gao2. And let's see. Yeah, so this is in July. This is the most recent. So it could be on site or home base. So for on site, it is located in Quezon City. But if you are not in Quezon City, you could apply as home based teacher. Yes. So for office base, it's here, as mentioned here, located near the Quezon City Hall. So 22 years old and above, graduate for any 4-year course with TEFL or TESOL certificate, good command of the English language, and preferably with online ESL experience. Yeah, well, that is for uh, office based. Let's see the home based. Okay, so this one is for the home based. Yeah, the same requirement. Sorry, I cannot see kasi. So yeah, the same requirements. So you could submit your application to this one. I will attach on the description box. So please check it there or on the private on the comment section. So yeah, I submitted my resume, only the resume. I didn't submit any video or introduction video, just a resume to this one. So I submitted this July 13 and they respond July 14. So madali silang mag-respond. And after that, yeah, I received their message the next day, and they gave me an account through what's that? Microsoft Teams kasi wala nang Skype today. So yeah. And then I messaged someone in Microsoft Teams, but she replied after 3 days. So here. Yeah. To proceed, please answer the following. So I didn't reply because I don't have plan to continue applying here because of some reasons. So yeah, we will review it later. But in case, I guess this is also a good company. So yeah, you just need to answer these numbers 1 to 10 and send it here. The same, the account that they give through email. So going back, so again, that's how you apply, okay? And let's have this one. So usually I'm searching in Facebook if I want to know the company, if it's good or what are the application process. One of the comments I saw here in Facebook is this one. So let's see. So this is based on Facebook even if you search it, makikita nyo yun. So it's public here. So this one, first one, tumal at first. Basta active ka lang po sa GC class nila, mabibigyan ka ng students. Yan. So mostly most ESL companies at first maybe 1 to 2 months matumal talaga ang students. Pero after little by little, dadami din yung students mo. Yun lang yung if, 4 months, yun yung, no, yun yung mahirap. Another one here. Hello, office-based in Gautupo, senior teacher. At first day, matumal. Pero after a week, medyo okay na. Basta active ka lang po at open lagi slots sa peak hours. Yan, sa peak hours. So, yan, as I have said, the same. And the last one is in here. home-based teacher here, konti lang talaga usually students kapag newbie ka, but after a while, kapag madami kang ino-open na slots, dadami students mo, gaya din sa mga kasama ko, if madami ka mag-open, pwede 10 to 22 students ka a day. Wow, yan. So, madami din naman pala siyang students sa GAU2. And then, next one. This one, ito pala yung hinanap ko. So, ang sabi niya, any feedback po sa GAU2. So, this one. This is just last year, 2024. So, November. It's now July, by the way. So, sabi dito, too complicated, daming gagawin, daming GC, iba-iba for feedback, attendance, screenshots, etc. For me lang naman, hassle siya knowing na regular pay lang for an ESL company if may ibang opportunity na feedback at may material na agad. Pag enter mo sa class, go for that instead. Same pay lang naman, less hassle po. Yeah, so ang sinasabi niya dito, hassle siya. Since I'm a mom, I can't do that. So, gusto ko yung teach, and hey, just like that. Just like in what are the companies, 5-1 Talk, you just need to fill out something about the student. 5-1 Talk is the same sa Palfish. Yan. And this one, another feedback, but it's a good feedback. So, are you planning to apply po? Currently working there, the rate depends on your interview and demo. That would be around 120 to 150 per hour. I think tataas pa siya. Depende din sa performance. Kasi may incentives naman. If management pa usapan, sobrang approachable po nila as long as magpapaalam ka lang ng maayos, lalo ang Chinese admins. So, nakita niyo na yung rate, 120 to 150 per hour, and tataas pa daw siya. Yeah, so any penalties? They do have penalties, karamihan naman, but it's manageable. Nagka-penalty ako before, pero bihira naman kasi mangyari lalo kung internet or power interruption. Yeah. Yeah, mostly naman ng ESL companies may penalties. So, yeah, that is about the Gao2. Akala nung first Japanese company kasi yung Gao2. But it's a Chinese base. So, of course, your students will be Chinese. By the way, they have their own platform based on the AI search. And yeah, so here, this is the company. Gao2 Techedu Inc. Yeah, is a technology-driven education company and online large class tutoring service provider in China. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I could share more companies. I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye.